Hi guys, today we'll delve into some exciting AWS projects, especially for data engineers. So buckle up and let's get started. Number one project is AWS Glue for ETL. Our first project today involves AWS Glue, an excellent serverless ETL service. AWS Glue makes it super easy to extract, transform, and load data across different AWS services. Imagine you have a task which is bringing in data from S3 buckets into a Redshift data warehouse. With AWS Glue, you can discover the data, convert it into formats that analytics tools understand, and schedule recurring ETL jobs. Easy peasy, right? Next up is setting up a data lake on AWS S3. S3 is one of the most reliable, cost-effective service by AWS, making it perfect for storing a vast amount of data from different sources. As a data engineer, you might need to set up a data lake that stores raw data in various formats, allowing different teams to access and analyze it using their preferred analytics tools. Pretty cool, right? Third on the list is building data pipelines using AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda allows you to run code without provisioning or managing servers. You can design a serverless data pipelines where Lambda functions are triggered by events like uploading a file to S3. This can automatically process the data and push it into a database or a data warehouse. It's really a fun project that puts your programming skills into practice. Lastly, but not the least, you can experiment with real-time analytics using AWS Kinesis. Kinesis allows you to collect, process, and analyze real-time data, so you can get timely insights and react quickly to new information. Think about building a real-time dashboard that captures and displays user engagement metrics from a website or an app. Wouldn't that be amazing? So there you have it, 4 exciting AWS projects that every data engineer should undertake to polish their skills and gain real-world experience. Now, you might be wondering, where can I find resources or examples for these projects? Great question. Firstly, AWS provides an excellent library packed with documentations, tutorials, and case studies. They've also got a comprehensive blog covering a wide range of topics, including detailed project examples. GitHub is another fantastic resource. Many data engineers share their AWS projects there, which can serve as a starting point for your own. Some GitHub repositories also have step-by-step guides, so you can learn by doing. Don't forget about online courses or platforms like Coursera and Udemy. They always provide hands-on projects with resources and examples. And for forums, you can check out Stack Overflow and AWS Developer. Again, thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe to my channel, leave your comments and share your thoughts.